We've all been there. A chatbot promises to connect you with a real person, asks for your email, then suddenly, no one's available. It's the oldest trick in the book, and your prospects know it. They're not just sick of it. They're leaving your site and heading straight to your competitors. That's why we completely transformed our approach. Now, elite human chat specialists intercept high-value prospects the moment they land on our site. No bots, no games, just real expertise, building instant credibility and trust. The best part? It took us less than 55 minutes to set up. No technical headaches, no complex integrations, no training required. Their team handles everything. Think about it. While your competitors are still forcing visitors to fill out forms, our specialists are having genuine conversations, answering questions, and booking qualified meetings with our executives. The results? They shocked even us. We're capturing more email addresses than ever because we stopped demanding them up front. Our entire inbound SDR team, all promoted. We simply don't need them anymore. Our qualified pipeline has doubled. Customer acquisition costs slashed by 44%, and because their team manages everything 24/7, we spend zero time on oversight or management. It literally runs itself. You only pay for qualified leads. No contracts, no commitments. This is what happens when you replace robot forms with real human conversations that convert.